Hi, so in today's video we are going to replace the battery of Predator 17X. This is the model number, Predator 17X, and this has Core i7 processor with a GTX graphics card, and the screen is G-Sync, and this one is 17-inch with RGB keyboard and everything. But the only issue that this laptop has is need the battery to be changed. So let's start it. First of all, we will need to turn it over for battery replacement. This is the back side of the laptop. There are screws which we will need to open first to reach the battery area. We already have the battery that arrived today morning from Shenzhen. This is a copy battery, or maybe original. After opening this, we will check the battery as well. First, we will need to unscrew all these screws that you can see. Okay, so we have the screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and there are a lot of screws. We will be opening all of them. Some screws are very long and some are very small. So keep in mind that if you are opening the screw from somewhere, place it at the same place, okay, so that the screw does not damage the laptop, because if you will put longer screw in a smaller area, then it will damage the body. Okay, you will need to open this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. All these screws you will need to open. Okay, right now my laptop already open to reduce the time. So after opening all of them, you will need one a plier or anything very slim to open the side area of the laptop, like this, over here, and same other sides. So let's open this one. Use your hands like this and put your fingers over here, and then pull the back cover. And don't forget, there is one cable for another extra fan in this laptop, okay, and that fan is actually over here, this area. So keep in mind this. So after opening it, actually this is the cable. Okay, how you are going to unplug this cable is actually by removing this small cover which comes over here. First open the small cover, then remove this cable, okay, which comes over here. See the little connector and this cable. First remove this cable and then remove this cover, like this. In my case, I already opened this laptop before, so I know I don't need to remove the cable. Okay, so this is the battery area. If you can see it, this is the battery area, and this laptop had a battery before, which we removed already because it was not working properly and the laptop was not detecting that battery. So we have already removed and was waiting for the new battery that arrived today. So let's open this battery packaging. These batteries are actually very securely packed because of its lithium inside, lithium cells inside. They pack it like this so that it remains safe inside the packaging. Taking out the battery. Here we go. We have brand new battery. Open it. Let's see if it is genuine battery or the copy one. This is a copy battery. From this company. Is same as the original one, but this one is copy. This is the model number of the battery. So if you don't know the model of the battery, you can check from this video. AS15B3N. This is the product name. Let's remove this box. Let's place the battery. Okay, this battery written area or the label comes on the downside. So this label will go on the downside. This blank area will be on the upside. So put it like this. Good. Okay, we will need to screws these areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws for battery. We have plenty of screws. No, this is not the one. This kind of screws we will need. How to focus this? Okay, this is the screw. And then another one. Six screws total we need. Need to search the right screw because I keep all the screws of all the laptops in one place and they are all mixed. Because it's difficult to keep the screws with the laptop every time. And the last one over here. So we have 6 screws. Now this is the connector. This area should go on the back side, this open area. If I will zoom this here, this area will go under like this. Then put it like this and then push. Push the cables inside. Check if it is properly tight, not loose connection. Because if the battery connection is loose, laptop is going to give error while charging. So put back the back cover again. Listen to the clicking sounds like this. Put this fan connector back to its location, and then close the back cover. This back cover is actually made by very skilled worker here in our area, and it is not original. In your case, maybe this back cover will be different, so don't worry, just unscrew and open this cover. Done. This is how you are going to replace the battery of Predator 17X and 15 Predator 15, same like this shape, has the same battery. Okay, 15-inch also same battery, and the procedure is little bit different, but you can follow these steps to open the 15-inch Predator also. So let's check if the battery has some charge or not. Battery is not charged, so we will need to give this laptop some AC power to turn this on. Do we have the charger? Okay, yes, we have the chargers. Okay. Okay, let's give this laptop the AC power. Now the laptop is charging. This yellow light, orange light is for charging. This laptop is turning on automatically. Why? We didn't put the power button. Does this happen with all the Predators? Well, this is a special case. Let me know in your comments, because this is not normal in my opinion. I just put the charger and laptop turns on. Why? Okay, it's off now. Again on. Why? Let's press this for 15 seconds. Okay, now let's turn on again. Do we have a display? Do we have a display? Anything coming on the screen? Yes. Oh. Let's wait for some time, because whenever you will replace the battery, the laptop is going to give the display. We have the display. So the display comes late. Don't worry about this, because this is normal. Because without battery, all the power goes out of the motherboard. First, when you will connect the power, it will make surge. Okay, so we will check the battery now. How is the battery? How much charge it has? 3% only. Here it is showing 2 hours to charge. Okay, let's charge the battery. And this is how you are going to replace the battery. I will charge the battery, and at this point, replacement of the battery process ends. You can proceed for your any work now, and you don't need to do anything else for changing the battery. You already have done it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that we can get the motivation and make more videos about the laptops. Thank you. Bye bye.